Newsflash, I've got a brand new virtual event game that you can play with a crowd of any size, and it's called Emoji-ology. What's up, everybody? My name is Sean with the Elevate Experiences, and this game is called Emoji-ology. The instructions are super simple. First, you need to build for yourself a slide deck where you are going to create a series of words or phrases, but you're going to use emojis. And when you give instructions to the crowd, this is what you're going to do. You're going to say, we're going to show you emojis on the screen. You're going to have to think about the word or phrase that the emojis spell out or that it is indicating. You're going to have an idea in your head, and then you're going to be the first person to chat about it or to raise your hand in the crowd. It depends on if you're doing this on a virtual event or a live and in-person event. But those are the instructions of the game, and here's how you play. You're going to go through different rounds of the game. Round one could look like this, where you have two emojis side by side, and we have the explosion emoji and a corn emoji. And so what the audience has to do is guess what word or phrase are you trying to tell them. So this one is popcorn because it's an explosion and then it's a piece of corn. You get it? You get it? Popcorn. I love it, right? So then you would go through a second round. People start to get it, especially when you get into round two and round three. So here we've got a cloud that is raining and we've got a boot. I bet you know what it is. That's right. It's rain boot. You get it? So it's really, really simple, and it is incredibly fun to play. You'll hear odd phrases, you'll hear different things, but when you're playing it in a virtual event, you can do this in two ways. You can either bring someone on screen with you, multiple people or a single person, and have them guess, and then have everyone else play and chat, or you can have no one on the screen with you, and just like I'm doing with a camera, you can simply have them put it in the chat next to the side of the screen or underneath or wherever that is, and you can play that way. So it's really simple and it's really fun. Well, if you like this video, please go ahead and give us the thumbs up, and we would love it if you subscribe to our YouTube channel, where we are putting out more and more icebreakers and different games and activities that you can play for in-person events and virtual events. Not only that, but we also have a free resource for you. So two things is you can go to either virtualeventsecrets.today, or you can just go to the comments below and click on the link where we have a place for you to download your very own ultimate virtual event roadmap. Virtualeventsecrets.today has a place for the roadmap where you can find it there as well. But at this website, you're going to find more blogs and more videos about how to put on virtual events. And then the roadmap is a free resource. It's a PDF document that we created for you to be able to have a plan and a process to simplify how to plan your own ultimate virtual event, because it's hard to do, right? Ultimate virtual event is a hard thing to pull off. So make sure that you go and you download your very own ultimate virtual event roadmap. And when you do, you're gonna get an amazing offer where you can purchase the Ultimate Virtual Event Toolbox. It is a collection of documents and checklists and templates that you can purchase and have lifetime access to that will help you plan and execute your very own virtual event. We have been doing this for a few years now, and we have taken our expertise and our knowledge and packaged it all into this toolbox. So make sure you check it out, and we'll see you later. Peace.